Every milestone begins as a spark. Today, Alligator Automation celebrates not just an expansion, but a transformation.
We are into end-of-line packaging solution. We are a solution company, a project-based company which does automation solutions. This industry has been on continuous growth path, so there are wonderful opportunities, both in terms of the kind of solutions you do and the kind of geographies you are serving. We have geographies like North American geography where there is continuous use of automation because of high labor cost, and there are geographies like Southeast Asia, geographies like Africa, which are going to massively explode in the upcoming time. Talking a little bit on the product side, we do end-to-end solutions in end-of-line, starting from bagging machines, secondary packers, tertiary packers, palletizers, intralogistics, and truck loading solutions. There are companies in our space, let's say, who does only case packaging, which is more than $1 billion company. So the opportunities are massive.
For over a decade, Alligator Automations has pushed the boundaries of packaging intelligence, robotics, and material handling systems. This new facility marks a giant leap toward global engineering leadership. With expanded capacity, advanced robotics, and world-class engineering, Alligator's new plant is designed for the next decade of automation solutions.
So there are multiple tools, ERP tools or MIS systems that we use inside the organization, which are bringing an automation in the processes. When we say about automation, that means if anything is need to be done manually earlier, now that is something which system is taking care of. So that kind of an automations we are bringing inside the organization, which is helping us to grow further.
The technical festival brought innovation to life, with real-time demonstrations of automation excellence.
Automation is the key to survive, my dear.
Okay.
And I'm very glad I'm here standing in Alligator because you see, what is automation? Fundamentally, if you see, one is, of course, it is a faster activity, right? You do everything faster than a human being does. But to me, that is one part. The more important part is the accuracy, the quality, the sustainability, the consistency. So automation plays a very big role, and I think today's world, if you are not moving towards automation, you will be left behind because that helps you to drive your technological development, your process development, your system development, what is your, as a manufacturer, what do? We manufacture products for customers. So the product which we manufacture should be consistent. That means if my customer uses my product once, if I give him again, it should be same performance. So that can only be achieved through absolute automation in processes and systems. So I'm totally, I'm completely committed to very high degree of automation in our manufacturing facility.
Yeah, basically in India, robotics is very new. Like lot of companies being investing in robotics now. They had been realizing how robotics can improve their productivity and give better quality. And lot of company has been investing in this particular sector. And upcoming thing in robotics will be AI. Basically, lot of AI data-driven decision has been implemented across the factory. From Industry 4.0, now everybody is migrating to AI-based solutions. And Fanuc is also developing lot of physical AI, like AI error proofing, and how this data collected across the industry till date can help manufacturer to improve their productivity and efficiency.
A defining moment, the opening of a facility built with passion, precision and purpose. The leaders behind Alligator shared their vision for the future.
We've got teams sitting in Mumbai, Hyderabad, and Japan. And all three of them have to collaborate on a regular basis. And using tech, they can have meetings as if they were sitting together. Using tech, they can share file data, in SharePoint and other platforms where it's almost as if they were working simultaneously. I think tech has basically enabled the distance to be non-existent. So teams in different parts of the country and the world can work together.